So this is the brand new global version of the POCO M7 Pro. And today I'm going to give you an exclusive unboxing and my first initial impressions of this smartphone. So let's start with some quick unboxing and check out what was included in the box, shall we? So it comes in this POCO signature black and yellow box, and the unboxing experience seems like every other POCO smartphone out there. As soon as you open it, the first thing you'll notice is this neat packaging. It includes user manuals, warranty documents, and a small SIM ejector tool. And also there's a case included for this smartphone inside. And I think every brand should give cases like these because they are much more practical and usable than those old school transparent TPU cases out there, which turns yellow after some usage. So moving past that, we get to see the phone itself neatly wrapped in this plastic cover. And right here, you get a quick glimpse of its key specifications. Once unwrapped, you will be greeted with the phone. So I got this green variant here, and it's a 256GB model with a whopping 12 gigs of RAM. As you can see, this phone features a striking green color look throughout its body combined with a glossy and shiny texture on the other side. This two-tone looks fantastic and way better than they appear on the pictures. The color and the finish really complements each other in a unique way. Frankly speaking, I was a bit unsure when I saw the images online, but holding it in the hand completely changed my mind. It feels premium and solid with a sleek rectangular design and nice rounded corners. Overall, the design is impressive for its price tag. This definitely doesn't feel like your typical black or grey phone. It feels fresh and different in every possible way. And speaking of the colors, POCO has chosen bold colors with this smartphone. No safe and boring shades like black and grey are provided. You only get three options: green, purple, and silver, all featuring the same dual-tone finish. Underneath the smartphone, you'll find a 45-watt charging brick and a USB Type-C cable, both neatly packed at the bottom of the box. And that's everything you get with the POCO M7 Pro. Honestly, it's quite generous, especially considering many brands have stopped including half of these accessories. And I'll be sharing my full review after using this smartphone for at least a week. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing tech reviews and unboxing videos. So let's talk about the phone in detail. So I've been using this device for a week now, and here are my unfiltered thoughts about it. Coming to the design aspects, I love how lightweight it is compared to my Pixel 7 Pro. It just weighs around 190 grams, and my pocket never felt this light using a device in such a long time. And I also love how sleek it looks. It only has got 8mm thickness range, and I particularly loved both these factors a lot about this phone. The color scheme on its back takes some time to digest, especially for the people who only prefer black or grey like me. But once you give it some time, you'll start liking it. If not, throw in that amazing looking back case and you are good to go. Coming to its display, it's just mind-blowing. It is actually one of the key highlights of this phone. It comes with this 6.6-inch 120Hz AMOLED panel that's more than enough for your daily routines. The colors are punchy and the brightness can go up to 2100 nits. The screen looks brighter and even visible in the scorching sunlight. On top of all this, it comes with add-ons like HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and the screen resolution up to 2K. And it is even protected with Gorilla Glass 5. These features can easily make you binge-watch your favorite web series in a roll. Overall, display is a key highlight of this phone. And now let's talk about its OS and performance factors. Out of the box, it comes with HyperOS 1 based on Android 14. And I observed the quantity of bloatware has significantly came down, and now the OS has even let you remove them easily. This has just increased the overall usability factor of this operating system to a whole new level. Because this is the only reason why I switched to Pixel. The operating system has improved the performance of this device a lot. Speaking about the performance, we all know performance is the peak factor of every POCO smartphone out there. It seems POCO does not compromise when it comes to performance, and you can really see that in every one of its devices. You can count in this device as well. Its performance is amazing and buttery smooth, thanks to its high-performance driven chipset, the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra. Using that chipset along with LPDDR5 RAM has boosted its performance, and as you can see, there are no screen lags no matter how hard I push the boundaries. For gaming, this device is a no-brainer. You can get amazing performance out of all the big games out there, and I observed absolutely no lags at all. Considering the device budget, hands down, I think this is one of the best performing budget devices I have seen so far. One thing that I didn't like about the device is that it is using UFS 2.2 storage and it is not an LTPO display. I think POCO has used this to make the device budget friendly. Coming to the camera, POCO has did a great job in optimizing it. It comes with this dual camera setup of 50 megapixel wide angle lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor. I really appreciate the removal of the novelty macro sensor and also emphasizing more on primary lens. POCO has did a great job in bringing the Sony LYT 600 sensor to this phone. For starters, this is the same sensor powering X7 Pro and Realme GT, which are by the way priced way more than this phone. The images from it look sharp, colorful, and filled with details. It is capturing a well-detailed image that allows the flexibility to do cropping and editing. It even offers excellent image quality even in low light conditions thanks to its f1.5 aperture. When it comes to cameras, POCO devices used to deprive a lot in order to keep the device under budget. But now it seems POCO has managed to do the impossible. I really like taking pictures from this lens. The dynamic range is good and the details are on point. Coming to the video performance, this is also good. It can capture visuals at 1080 pixels until 30 frames per second. The visuals are good and the stability is right on point due to the usage of optical image stabilization. The sensor has totally changed the camera aspects of the smartphone. You cannot say the camera is not good at this point on a POCO device. This is one of the devices which is offering optical image stabilization on a tight budget. So overall, it seems that camera has improved a lot and kudos to POCO for making the impossible thing possible. So finally, let's talk about another important highlight of the smartphone, its battery life and charging capabilities. So POCO M7 Pro comes with a whopping 5100 mAh battery capacity. With the optimized operating system running on this device, it can easily last more than a day on a normal usage. Unlike my Pixel phone, I haven't observed any heating issues with this device throughout the day. And on top of it, it comes with this 45-watt charging brick that can let you charge your device in under 50 minutes. So overall, the battery and charging aspects of the smartphone are right on point, complementing each other. If you are looking for a device with some 1 to 2 caveats here and there, this device is a no-brainer for you. It has got the potential to become a good daily driver and a bang for your buck. And if you like this video, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting tech reviews.